Hi guys, I'm Miss Chen. From today, we will learn some frequently made errors that we make when we write characters. I think this lesson will help you a lot. The first error we are going to look at is about stroke length. Maybe some of you don't think the stroke length is important, but I need to tell you, the stroke length is very important. If you don't pay attention to it, sometimes you may write another character by mistake. For example, you can see that the only difference between these two characters is the stroke length. However, they have totally different meanings. This example also shows the importance of stroke length. A small error can make a big mistake. Not paying attention to the stroke length will also cause you to write a wrong character. For example, this second character doesn't exist in Chinese. This one is the same. The second character is not right. So I think now you know that stroke length is key, right? You need to pay attention to it when you write characters. Here's a test for you guys. There are 3 pairs of characters here. In each pair, only one character is correct. So choose which one is correct and write a word or phrase with this correct character.